a sweet part in the relationship, the fantasy aspect of it, without knowing who we are dealing with. Maybe 10% say, a brand here I'm involved with it, 10% a ram of fun, you know, say, how far does she go on the body chair? How many times is you go or no be at now in the panel before? One name say the panel the body chair on Fabonite, a boom Fabonite, Binyaba, Utimuye. Bia mitimu ye ba krofo tim Jesu.
22-year-old pregnant lady murders husband by cutting him into pieces with machete over cheating claims. Asemwe die. Emodu ye. Adofo ya oba wedi 22 ani achicha ni kunu sikai because of Elise ni kunu no cheat won so ebra ni kunu edeba open no aba medefie na ye unimpo se obi abema ma ko ne busu ani wana so ko ni sister ho na asemwe die anu ehye pa na okumu susu a abai wa no osan ema bema no na 22-year girl a woni obema etie woni kunu etie na musani mo okunu nechi edi akoma ana edi jealousy nko na bema ubetimi ayede enya abufuo echicha okunu sa enko bebia na yeba yebedum suko bichame ho aba adofo asemia ababeto jaidie emu eduye na menkuano mitimi embobo ho eniti masheda aton safre ye nuaba ahofeso no aye freno madam Mercy Cow ono ena me no eba be chimkomo na ya pese ensemimu ama wo a wo hye me so ubenya eho enti ase me nuaba Mercy Cow be chia wo na abume
adomuniti me di fo bia be ka say ye won den sexual concurrent
ye de na mi ase asem bia je say ababeto ja eye areku yie se bi obi a chem ne babema wo na ma na eni na dwum pempen so obi onu si ne bu so samwe de me felice bi oke mi waso me ho so ntino me kwa akoware na ma kwa akoware susu a menya somdie e de amane ani echire ni echi no ko wie ni echi no owo ene sande e de abreme ni say na America ho asemi aya ba ya wodi 22 ena abrante eye de ekoware no koware no eda ba ko be ma na ye de amefie na be ma na amefie no oba ne sanse ni buafu se bi enti na meku na ye de amefie enti no de ametie enye bufu echicha be ma no chicha no into pieces pa enya se kuma na gese niema no eye esanya rewukwa no so oba no chicha ne kunu so no osanyem ema be ma no na asemi die na walk afamu
edika first of all mejina konya kesi so echi too much for na shefo said that moje pressure na sure na yen hwemu negative point bi kra wo abalwe yi yetie ensem chire no abalwe no just 22 years
yes
owo embamienu ansa na oni ne kunu ne kunu fufui chese wajini kwefre
ebetina owo mamienu aside ni kunu no chese o chema na chese wawo owo kala mienza na chese ba kunu so be kan obi en se ye ntafo se ye baba ko na esa baba ye 4 nti ba ma no 2 ni o be ma foforo ba
na before kan se mi se wo kwa agware a busa sasem no ye kan ene se ye kan ekeke ye kan ewo emu enchiremu ekom kwa echire efisa aware involve bebre aware ya maturity obi antumi sori enko eye aware na ye kan ina mafoma ba at the age of 22 years awon na kwan ya wo bidida wa wo tu dida aya na wo tin one our that kind of age 2018 2022 omoye fe naturally omoye fe amon fe de wo beko na osuban e de waba pesi e calculate bibi wa won say na mafo e na ma be one ko aware and say relationship na mo were keke one year analysis bia any first na before wo ba kro ye de wo be ma aware na say busia kuo no wo nim wo ho oba bi tumi hu ka cho say me pese me de wo ma eye me ba ena musuban a wasti die hu from afa na ebusia hu from wo se busia die nim die wo nya aye ambrase wo mu nya bisru wo mu nti sa anamon na na ya dupo na etu ene wo na ye fo so o so de na ye esikafo eno wo ho ba enem mu aye wo mu no aware na nkasa no ye nya ye mu obi ye nya mu hihye bia ye ko shia be me bia chese wo boy adwen e be ma ba so de na so mo wa no wo be no de ye no correct enti wo boy adwen ne fa ye na ni e mu ni se kunu Obey your mother, your beauty, your diary, near 2 to 1 time. Then, an opinion way, now was see so what's in the car. It's a Berman Carol said, if you never can come over, no nim, Suba, as I said first, the normal corner said, Falasa, Moshia, Yuta, Moshia, Moon, they say, all glory, a DJ outing, chilling. Young fire near you skills, a mood doggy, pay our line back, everything now won't be. And your macassar, Matty, what's wrong? We think of the sweet part in the relationship, the fantasy aspect of it, without knowing who we are dealing with. Maybe 10% saying, a brand here I'm involved with it, 10% a ram of fun, you must say, the before, how far does she go? On the body check. How many times is you go or no be at now one in the panel before? One name say the panel the body channel for body check, a bill for body check, be nearby. Would you wear? A dear little we about for 14 years soon. It may say no many surprise because of negligence, be a cause of neglecting important things. In relationship, you're taking your acknowledging your family likely. Now, I know what you know, and I might a sign, any musuo, any petrol won't say. Just what about me, I want know. I will share a brand to one picture, a brand dinner. What do you think is a years old? Guess I will show God down your channel, partner, Lisa, a good say. Me can't write a year as same. To yeah, they are more fair. Remember, the person mistake. We oba what whooping. Then the man free in a previous relationship. About one say. Say a year or being a better than a bunny cassia. I was requiring it double. And our banana and ignorance. So mature for marriage. You are doomed. You are in trouble. It's when our acknowledge appearance. Once of who are 2 want them. 22 are 2 years. I want them to also. Just said body no still on freshness. As I said, only say every time I saw 15 years, 16 years, 18 years. Because we want to just 22 years. It is a 4 years scrap or 18 years. It is just a bossy. It is written by saying physical appearance now or consider but when name or bow and then they air dealing. Because say about it in the smile. And obeying the way I offer the buffo or do any buffo or meaning to sue. Now a dodging. No the way or handle. And besides, a bad baby before I call back in the end of our soon. A bad baby will problem. Just say, expected we imagine things when we are in relationship. Bearman money a German or quite money a German or for honey a German all the time they essence all because at times maybe blaming man be brave. Essence bear money be sua, yes, one not spoils the whole soup. If bear money be sua, what did it didn't I say Obi or one kind of the who's so crown and they will tune in a civil camp. Didn't say, ye didn't know, ye didn't maybe. That trust is not there, but all the same, love yourself. They be a son and make put yourself first. Essence, I send you a Bible work no cry e fa say Bible cry ka say me trust obia it is who do trust command the trust and ye the man because you feel say you don't know it ye ni na be man mu it is only way di ye ni anije but oye nipa se we do nyambo pan ko twempena de se no ko twempena we nua be e bia one twempena or expect and or imagine so betumi owo betumi ayeden abefa eti saa Bible quotation no wo a wo fa wo ratio mu na ye no niema wo because implications na ye den ya nipa ye fa ye ho tu nipa so Yesu Kristo je say obi wu ma nipa kan fa no want to nipa so no so wo say automatically wo jitu mo one jia to mo wo de wo ratio nipa mu a nipa be di wo nyan but e so no me e de ma wo kasa je say yaw edi amanihu edi sun ena ebebrewo na ye nua be in fact onye mature relationship oni ntiase if say owo na make say onye maturity account bebre essence oye mature kra na say wo kunu akotwempena wonyem wo kunu no when e be hwa abofra ne de ama
no ni asem no
si wo ena wo do obi a wo si de nkunu so obi beka say unfi bonsam chese bibia na ya bonsam ba wo ambeda kwan ya wo ama wo kwan ma be you wo ambeda kwan ya bonsam timi be bon remu
na chese
se wo da kwan ya abo bia efa remu enti ibe ya fa sha bonsam
okay na chese mitie mo kasa e ma oba no onno ni kunu ni ti na ma wo timi chicha ni kunu ni sa
the mimi Jimmy the me to me nka say wo do be ma na say wo do obi e be ye din say wo be imagine say nipa na eni wo wo ti ase say wo do obi all the time no wo be person nipa na tina se ama say oni mo life mu krampo na wo be expect say on exist even though say bia wa mo akoye wo mu ba ni wo die enya ade a wo be pre ni wo enya dia be pretty wo ena obi wo wa no tesa ochiti odisa abro semo eni be ye semo into expect say won so wuye bi eti obi a wo no oyesa ne ye no odwema se what ya se wa konyo oba fofofo wo ko wan se ne pekra no pe wenya ne fofofo ne ti next time no woni wa ba dwen so oba no be den obetumi akwakochi ti afawochi because wo kasa na wo nya no one break sana akwakoye enti wo ba na kasa no immaturity ekawo ignorance ekawo and she doesn't know what she's doing and I am can't say life is in the spirit and say you be quite detailed that is true in your man sorry in sikeke essence is questionable first or the bear man itina na one ne wo secondly onye mo man thirdly who won back to abema ne boa wo shop dida it is a one day crown for no allergy say we pie wa mede fie cry the solution is not killing either say a madness a damobo tiafaso and now your fashion as usual fin
and say it was somebody ye chinitum abroad on yimuno and I said your kunu said they were kuna.
No one is above the law.
Okay.
And yes, instant justice say you kunu is not advisable.
Okay.
But the thing is embrawo so kasa. So eka upu embra say embra any wuti. It mean say ebeye den a embrawo wanti embra ni enua be ebedi no na what's na make me say life is in the spirit. Enti say life is in the spirit. Ebi be dia
okay.
Ebi engine too. Nanso abraba ye boni na ne toto wo no the unction. Ye will be say the grace make the difference. Enti enyoma toto wo na kire say wugina ha ana say bebi a wugina no wo ye true. Esa say me bia be wafa ye fun na wakun dofo na aban so nsa ka na cheso kon so bede wo ba na eso say load ne dofo say ye asetena no ye tutu ya na mo
ye bredo aye be na chese load no edoso ye sister Besika o ni na wo di ma ahwefo di advice be na wo di be ma emayiwa omu esiso omu ware na advice be na wo di mo.
Okay, first of all, advice I need be ma in Bible ni say relationship ni dey say ayefo enti ye komo ayendwen but nyameka ni say wo komo afa adwen to manya misrundi wani mu kan ne hia be ma ese wo hia sa wo ma wo take wa kono wo de wa kono ko relationship ma wo be fail and na chese bro hey aware mu bro hey wedding fantasy wo di bro ma wo be fail ebi mu ye very expensive wedding within a month 2 months na divorce aba wo ya na wo ba ye ni wo ase kase kra se when bro mu na wo hwehwe be ma bo na mu bro ma chese nyame aboa mu de tumi ejine se relationship no your friend is say who relationship ma what start journey war because just say because bon some pay unity and na nipa dodo na wo twa yan wahia no unity with another person almost envy so almost by anything possible physical spiritual to see it breaking and after so viewers do wanna yemfa ye maame no mo ni we omo cheche ababo ni mo obo akwa ware nye se wo ko ne saa ke mane huso mane nti ase se ne awo wure mu na ofa na bufu akoma ne bufu akwa fa ayon wa fa sekan na che so beji o mane nti ase se two different people who are coming together to blend to understand each other and to build something enti enye easy obi wo wa ntete very rough.
Okay.
Eti say ekoba say two different people when you want to say they are damage that divorce need dey bu owo can say we dey so because obiare the way ya dey bu for city. Or active towards
you. Yes sister Besika ene di chechemu ye den ebremu kaka me waka mu say ye nua ma ye sremo ya munya bosre na mun control makoma akoma na bufo ene bufo de essay enema bebre hwe bufo na ama ye nua bai edi ahomete akakuchicha okunu yayai this ya akole ya wani no wona akole ni ya wona no be friend papa wona ene obekọ ni nchen asemi de do chami no mienu na me amedi ensemi ebrewe mi din edi efia enstroma bakope menim se wo so wo agentire pia okuko so pese wo ye de wo kire enti neka se ko YouTube neka subscribe too much GA for we bring you nothing but the best. Offer na ko Facebook na ko subscribe amaye. Offer wa ye nie yo na ko Instagram. From Instagram na ko Twitter into no wo so waje nchire any nsem bia o pesa o de ka conversation ya ye have ye no. Obetimi de wo de so ha de ato ase. Ebre no aye bi edasene ye besen hia.